Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 1 Integers. Introduction. We have learned about whole numbers and integers in class 6. We know that the integers form a bigger collection of numbers which contains whole numbers and negative numbers. What other differences do you find between whole numbers and integers? In this chapter, we will study more about integers, their properties, and operations. First of all, we will review and revise what we have done about integers in our previous class. We know how to represent integers on a number line. Some integers are marked on the number line given below. Here, this is your number line. This represents 0. On the right hand side of 0, we represent positive integers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and so on. On the left hand side of 0, we represent negative integers, that is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and so on. Here, this circle represents 3, this circle represents -1, and this circle represents -5. So on a number line, when we add a positive integer, we move to the right. Add a negative integer, we move to the left. Subtract a positive integer, we move to the left. Subtract a negative integer, we move to right. Always remember these 4 points. Now come to exercise 1.1. Say question number 1. Following number lines show the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Say question number 1, that is A part. Observe this number line and write the temperature of places marked on it. Say solution of A part. The temperature of places marked on it is places temperature places Bangalore temperature is 22 degree. degrees Celsius. Then second is OT. Temperature is 14 degrees Celsius. Then Simla, temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Then Srinagar, temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius. And Lahore Spiti, temperature is minus 10 degree centigrade. Now come to B part. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest place among the above? Say solution of B part. The temperature of hottest place hottest place Bengaluru equal to 22 degree Celsius. The temperature of the coldest place Lahaul Spiti equal to minus 10 degrees Celsius. Therefore difference equal to again minus 8 degrees Celsius. The difference equal to 22 degree Celsius minus minus 8 degrees Celsius equal to 22 degrees Celsius. When we open the bracket minus minus, it will become plus 8 degrees Celsius, and if you add it, you will get 30 degree Celsius. This is your answer.